Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. David Ginola, will be one of our super pundits. Don't come outside on the talk, say, you see this top four, saying that for Tottenham Hotspur hand, it don't day now, no be Arsenal hand today, because when you check the way Tottenham Hotspur take defeats Newcastle yesterday, beat them 5-1, even though the Newcastle first score, you get to show that strength of champions. You get, if they beat them now, Tottenham don't go for top four, they don't do for the fourth position, they don't leapfrog Arsenal, even though Arsenal gets two outstanding matches, one with Chelsea and one with Tottenham Hotspur themselves. So it depending on what them play, but for now, Arsenal don't be below Tottenham Hotspur until they go play today. Now they play Crystal Palace. So depending on what happen for the match, if Arsenal win Crystal Palace, Arsenal will go back to the top 4 position, will come continue. I no believe that one Baba the check. So Baba call the check the remaining games where each team gets. So when you check Arsenal game, you see Arsenal go still play Tottenham Hotspur, Arsenal go still play Man U, Arsenal go still play West Ham. You get. So Arsenal will still play Chelsea. So these are important matches for Arsenal. Then when you check Tottenham Hotspur, the only big team we then get now Liverpool, and at the same time themselves go play Arsenal. So that's just it. So it dey harder for Arsenal compared to Tottenham Hotspur. You get. So well, at the end of the day, we'll know how everything will turn out. When they see Arsenal players when they dey for training, they're going to train very well, because I watch their training video. I see the way they in high spirits. Everybody don't come back, they train. Both Saka dey okay, everybody dey involved, that they play to win for the match they go play against Crystal Palace for Selhurst Park. So wish all our players the best of luck. May they train, may they not get any injury, because this match now must win 3 points. You get very and highly important. You get. I just pray say we will make our team very proud. You get, make our fan base very proud by collecting the necessary 3 points. We don't need anything less than a 3 points. Giancarlo Padoman, now one of the super pundits wey dey out there. So Baba dey talk say Arsenal dey among the teams wey dey eye Paulo Dybala, and this guy dey work with Sky Sports, so he go dey analyze how the thing dey work. Say for all the people wey dey say they wan sign Paulo Dybala, and you dey confirm what we don't know already, because those most people dey think say maybe e dey too good to be true. Why Arsenal go dey eye Paulo Dybala? Say who be Arsenal? So this guy don dey put some kind credibility for the story. They let us know say Arsenal still dey highly interested in Paulo Dybala, and why the guy dey attractive now because of a free transfer status. The guy don't talk say won't leave Juve on a free transfer, so no be only Arsenal, Man U sef dey say Man U dey there, Atletico Madrid dey there, Inter dey there, but we never know who go sign the guy last. Well, more dey watch. Mikel Arteta come dey talk about this Cedric Benjamin issue. So Baba come talk say make other players learn from Cedric. You get, say you know they play, no be say you come outside and come blame the coach, or you're gonna blame your teammates, or you're gonna blame the environment. You know, they cast blame around. You get, focus on yourself. You get, train very well. You get, play very well for training. Coach go see you, they go fit select you. You get, no they blame others for your own predicament. So Baba can use Cedric as a perfect example. They see this Cedric Suarez now, you know they play, Baba just keep quiet, you know they make those, you know they complain, just focus on the grind, you know say one day go be payday, and the payday don't come as to me, as to don't get injury. Now what you do Martinelli now, Martinelli know they play before, until whether I miss me to get injury, I mean as I don't forget they can't draft I mean, before you know, I don't cement in place for that place, say, I'm on this position, I mean get that. So now the same thing any other player can do. Say you do for Benjamin, nobody gets a permanent position, anybody can be changed. Don't forget that once upon a time Odegaard said they come from Benjamin. Today Odegaard is a starter. Smith Rowe was once a starter, today is a Benjamin member. Things can change so fast, you can never tell. Leicester City sef don come outside say dem dey willing to sell medicine to anybody who wan buy am, and they are looking forward to collecting £50 million for this medicine. Say if they see a suitor wey go fit give them this money, because dem sef dem need to strengthen. Leicester need a super forward, because anytime wey Jamie Vardy no dey, dem dey always dey struggle. Dem be buy Patson Daka to just solidify that, make that striking department, to make sure say dem no go dey miss Vardy, but at the same time e be like say e no work, so they look for more money to inject more players into the squad. So they no get choice, they go need to sell some of their prized assets, like maybe Yuri Tillemans and medicine. So they don't talk to anybody who wan buy medicine. £50 million could be very okay. So I know say Arsenal don't be one good for this guy in the past, No can go for the guy because now the guy they inform, the guy they play very well this season. So I don't know whether I would like to upgrade Odegaard. I would like to continue Odegaard till Odegaard reach a peak because medicine there for him peak already. So we never know how all these things will turn out. What's even our opinion about this medicine? On my marital spirit that they call the Daily Star. Don't come outside and let us know. Say Ben Leno don't snub Newcastle. Say no would like to join them at all because Newcastle shortlist Ben Leno, Kepa Arrizabalaga, Dean Henderson of Manchester United. See they're going to choose one or two strikers so carry go their own side. So Leno don't say no they fancy them. And you know say by Leverkusen himself, the reason Leno making comeback is they won't carry him. Even Borussia Mönchengladbach self I hear say they interested. Because don't forget that our German Bundesliga will go carry Leno come. So I never know how all these things will turn out. So that Baba would like to go there, or maybe we still like to stay for EPL, but not Newcastle. I never know. Well, anyhow we go, I will let you know. Michael Owen don't come outside. Owen are one of our super pundits, in case you don't know how. So Owen don't come outside say for the match where Arsenal go play against Crystal Palace. Say him they see 1-1 for that match. They see no victor, no vanquish. Yes, everything will just end 1-1 because when you check out the form of Crystal Palace before the international break, they were very, very good. And when you can check about the fans waiting for Selhurst Park, that fans they will give you 120/100. They do superb, especially when it is a big game like this. And don't forget saying a derby, you get a London derby. So they will give you that kind confirm atmosphere, very, very electrifying atmosphere. But always say Crystal Palace will lose some players like I think Nathan Redmond, Olis, Zaha, they may not play. And Arsenal, several check Arsenal form. And for the last 5 games, so Arsenal don't play away. Arsenal win all of them. Arsenal they in rich vein of form for away. So they don't check all the variables when they attach to this match. You can see, you don't see anybody go win, and at the same time you don't see anybody go draw. So in the same this match ending a 1-1. So I don't know whether it go happen like that or it don't go happen like that. But I don't see no be that kind of result me I define. May I define anything like 1-0, 2 or anything as long as 3 points is assured. That's what I need. Okade said to me, as don't come back for training as a site guy with the guy they do some kind of light touches, so the guy don't day back. But we are not expecting him to come back for this Crystal Palace match because this match will be very, very exciting and electrifying. We don't want to put any pressure for that calf. You get so maybe the guy see close small. Maybe the next match we will go play ahead if he draft them in, or maybe stay for Benjamin until maybe Cedric on flop or something because Cedric is playing the best game of his lifetime. The guy they in superb form. You get so no continue with the Cedric they play like that. So I just very happy to say Tomiyasu is back in training. That's very good news. Then I'm a spiritual they call the Telegraph. Don't come outside and let us know say Leicester City don't place £25 million on top Yuri Tillemans' head. Say anybody won't sign her £25 million, now they go collect. And what to make this guy fee can be very, very cheap now because he get 1 more year left on a contract. So instead of letting him go out on free, then they're willing to collect £25 million for his head. I don't say Arsenal self and Man U they interested in this guy. I would like to make Arsenal be the front runners where they pay the money up front because this guy can be an ideal partner with Thomas Partey. The guy is very, very good and they score goals. When it comes to outside shots, give her Tillemans confirm. Robert Pires will be one of Arsenal legends. Don't come outside, can't talk say in the mentor Bukayo Saka. Say Saka they call him regularly. The two of them they talk for phone, they seek advice for your hand. So you go there and say, okay, like this, do like this, okay, don't do like that, all those kind of things. So they chat themselves, they chat well. So nobody let Saka say like you see Saka, you see Ms. Mitro, you see Ramsdale, you see who else in call against them, saying like all these players because now them be the young players we get great future for Arsenal. And the guys still call Martinelli, say Martinelli are saying like the way they play. You know, he just get this special bond with them. But the one person who in confirm say in the mentor, na me Bukayo Saka say that one they call her steady. Then Jamie Carragher self don't come outside call the talk say Arsenal no get the individual stars wey Spurs get. That's why most people they talk say Spurs they more likely to end up for top 4 because when you check Spurs now they get Harry Kane, they get Son. Those two people they be individual players who will change match any day, anytime. But check Arsenal, we don't get individual stars who they depend on. Now collective efforts that will they use to get compared to our rivals. You don't know whether this thing that will change the dimension of how the top 4 race will go. But more they watch out because now what Baba they talk. So Arsenal just get a team where they play collectively, where they play for each other to win. I'm still on the media set, so I think I can talk about Ben Leno. Can say, so make you know like say Leno don't save them. Well, after he come back from in Benjamin when they match rusty. So Baba can come back, can they save them, especially now we say Ramsdale don't get injury, can they out, and Ramsdale they expected to miss this match also, so Leno will they called in again. And this is a rival territory, just like that past one when we play against Aston Villa, where Aston Villa don't even do anything, we don't see their biting force. So they expect this one self will be the same thing, make the defenders, make the shield that Leno, make the protect them very very well. So all those Odin Edward, no one is to say them bite anything. Whether Zaha plays, Zaha no play, no send. Ulis play, Ulis no play, no send. Don't forget say Benteke is still there. There's still some kind of players who will cause you injury. Jordan, are you still there? So anything can still happen. But just hope say at the end of the day that we're going to smile, collect our 3 points, and no one more they complain. Oyamo enter match of the day, Crystal Palace versus Arsenal. So today, Palace go host Arsenal for Selhurst Park. Oyamo run check their head to head. For the last 5 games for here, Arsenal win 2, draw 2, and lose 1. Last season, we win 3-1 for here, sef. Arsenal need to win this match to get back to the top 4 position, as Spurs don't did there already after them beat Newcastle 5-1. Ramsdale still a nursing calf injury, so Ben Leno na go start. Even Oli sef for Crystal Palace they expected to drop out. However, make we just look. Zaha sef dey likely to miss out for this match as he never dey certified to play, so we never know why it go happen. Crystal Palace sef they don win just 1 out of their last 9 EPL matches against Arsenal, so Arsenal gets superb head-to-head record with Crystal Palace. But you know say records are meant to be broken, and at the same time many records are still meant to be kept. So as today match be, I just keep an open mind. On the normal day, Crystal Palace na shit pack for where they're supposed to collect, but you know say football na 11-11 for the pitch. We'll just keep an open mind, but expect your 3 points and let me know your own predictions. So if you know watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen, you'll see the thumbnail, click am so that you will get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now get out.